Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I am sharing a perfect homemade night cream which is suitable for all seasons and all skin types. This mask will not only prevent premature aging but will also repair damaged skin. So what we need for this cream is just a cucumber and a ripe banana. Cucumber is loaded with anti-aging properties. Using it with combination with banana boosts the reversal of fine lines. Bananas contain high level of antioxidants and prevents fine lines and wrinkles from forming. To prepare this cream, you just have to wash half a cucumber and grate with its skin on. Don't peel off the skin as its skin has all important vitamins and nutrients we need. Blend the cucumber and half banana together in food processor or blender. This is what it looks like. And now you can apply this directly on your face, but for those whose skin is very dry like me, can add 1 spoon glycerine for that extra hydration. You can store this cream in refrigerator for 7 days. So just prepare this cream once a week and you're all set. Now use your hands to apply an even layer over a clean face and neck, avoiding the eye area. You have to apply it just like your moisturizing cream and massage your face a bit in upward strokes. This cream has banana in it, so it will become dark the next day, but don't worry, you can use it for 7 days. Just apply it and go to sleep. Next day morning, just wash your face with cold water and pat dry. So this is a very easy DIY. Do try this and let me know in the comment section below. Do like this video and subscribe and hit the bell button for more such videos. See you next week. Till then, bye and take care.